How to blur video background. To begin, I added a video to my timeline that I want to blur the background. Start by going to Effects panel and search for Gaussian Blur. Drag and drop Gaussian Blur effect into your video. With your video selected, go to Effect Controls and under Gaussian Blur, click on the Pen tool. Now draw a mask around the edge of your subject that you do not want to blur. Also remember to connect the last point with the first one. Now set the blurriness to around 30 and make sure the inverted checkbox is checked. Now make sure the playhead is at the start of your video and click on this button so Premiere automatically tracks your subject and creates keyframes. Now slowly move the playhead forward and look at your subject. The first frame that the mask is not looking good, stop right there. And drag the edges of the mask to reposition and edit it. Then click again on Track button, so Premiere recreate keyframes from this point forward with a new mask. To smooth the mask, increase mask feather a little bit. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.